We finally got our hands on the Ecovacs Deebot T90 Pro Omni. Let's check it out together. This robot has a fresh, modern look compared to earlier models. Both the base station and the robot itself have a soft, premium matte finish that feels elegant and pairs beautifully with wooden floors. One of the biggest highlights of this robot is its power-boost fast charging technology, which comes from Deebot X series setup. It lets the robot quickly recharge at the station during long cleaning sessions, so it can keep going without long breaks, perfect for larger homes. Lift the top cover and you will find the dustbin inside. The head filter and pre-filter are easy to remove and wash separately. Now let's check out the roller mop and main brush. The roller mop is noticeably longer than on the T80, so it covers more areas in each pass. It also serves the edge cleaning gaps common in older models. The roller now extends outward, so it reaches right up to walls and corners for cleanup. More complete edge mopping with far less missed spots. On the side panel, there's a new soft fasten strip to gently protect furniture and walls from scratches, and maybe give baseballs light wipe too. Inside the mop compartment, you will see 32 water outlets for constant water flow while mopping. Remove the roller brush cover, and you will see the new conical and rectangular brush design. The side brush is the same style as the X9 series, with square holes and rectangular features to handle hair better. On the base station, the top holds the dirty water and clean water tanks. Open the lower panel and there's an autumn detergent dispenser, plus an activated carbon dust bag. It includes hot water mop washing, station self-cleaning, and hot air drying. Great features for a mid-range model with solid value. Does this one make you excited to try it?
Search techTongBo to get accessory details.